Ratio of maximum signal measured to the minimum signal the detectors can measure. New scanners possess detectors of the solid state crystal variety. Xenon gas detectors, largely obsolete because their design prevents them from use in MDCT systems. Some xenon gas detectors are still used on older models. Xenon gas detectors specialize xenon gas fills hollow chambers to produce detectors that absorb 60% to 60% to say 87% of the photon that reach them. Xenon gas remains stable under pressure, less expensive to produce, easier to calibrate, highly stable. Xenon detectors channel consist of three tungsten plates. When photon enters the channel, it ionizes the xenon gas. These ions are accelerated and amplified by the electric field between the plates. The collected charge produces an electric current. The current is then processed as raw data. Disadvantage: it must be kept under pressure in an aluminum casing. The casing filters the X-ray beam to a certain extent. Loss of X-ray photon in casing window and the space taken up by the plates are major factor hampering detector efficiency. Solid state crystal detectors, scintillation detectors. Solid state crystal detectors are also called scintillation detectors because they use a crystal that fluoresces when struck by an X-ray photon. Photodiode attach to the crystal and transform the light energy into electrical analog energy. Detector element: the individual detector elements are affixed to a circuit board. Solid state crystal detectors made from cadmium tungstate, bismuth carbonate, cesium iodide, ceramic, a rare earth compound that is gadolinium or yttrium properties, high atomic number, high density, higher absorption coefficient, absorb nearly 100% of the photon that reach them, no loss in the front window, as in xenon produce brief afterglow. Advantage: increase absorption efficiency, reduced or eliminated in modern CT detectors because they are more sensitive to fluctuation in temperature and moisture than xenon gas detectors. Affect the amount of scattered radiation. The relative placement, shape, and size of the detectors affect the amount of scattered radiation that reaches the image. Detector design: deep, narrow detector design will accept less scatter than short, wide detectors. Spacing bars: detectors are separated using spacing bars. Spacing bars allows the detectors to be placed in an arc or circle. Detector spacing measured from the middle of one detector to the middle of the neighboring detector and accounts for spacing bar. Ideal placement of detectors: ideally detectors should be placed as close together as possible so all X-ray are converted to data. Aperture size of detector opening: small detector important for good spatial resolution and scatter rejection. Desirable maximum utilization: small aperture. Scanner generation: the configuration of the X-ray tube to the detector determines scanner generation. First generation: the first system produced by the now defunct EMI medical division had a design that is referred to as first generation. Thin X-ray beam passed linearly over the patient. Single detector on the opposite side of patient. The tube and detector were then rotated slightly. The process was repeated until a 180 arc was covered. Scan time were very long, no longer in use. New developments in scanning occurred. Each new tube detector design was referred to by a consecutive generation number. Second generation X-ray tube passed linearly across the patient before rotating. Fan-shaped X-ray beam was used rather than thin beam. Only part of the field of view could be covered with this fan beam detector's ray was also incorporated. Scan time were shorter than that of the original design. They were still very long, no longer used. Third generation rotate scanners consist of a detector array and X-ray tube that produce a fan-shaped beam that covered the entire FOV and a detector array. Reference detectors located at either end of the detector array to measure the unattenuated X-ray beam. Third generation design made it no longer necessary to translate the beam and detector as both could move in a circle within the gantry. Rotating detector design allow all of the readings that make up a view to be recorded instantaneously and simultaneously. Greatly reduce scan time and artifact resulting from patient motion advantage. The tube is directly focused on the detector array. The fixed relationship between the X-ray source and the detector allow the beam to be highly collimated, which greatly reduce scatter radiation, thereby improving image quality. Disadvantage: more frequent occurrence of ring artifact because the same bank of detector is used repeatedly. Even a very small misalignment of a single detector will result in visible ring artifact. Most widely used configuration in the industry today, new multi-detector CT, all new MDCT sold in the United States use the third generation design.